So one restaurant trying this trip is Mikado Sushi Bar Cuisine, located at the Marriott Resort in Cancun. So the next one I tried was the Pina Colada without alcohol. So that seems like very foamy. This much is foam if you can't tell, and that much was liquid. I stand corrected, that was not foam, that is more of an ice. So it's a very nice flavored, coconut flavored ice. Oh, they had the pineapple, so it's a good pina colada. So one dish order was the combination tempura. It's a whole bunch of different tempura inside of shrimp like standard. Yeah, it looks like squid, something I haven't seen in tempura in a Japanese restaurant before. Probably an onion ring. I'm gonna guess it's some kind of seafood, I'm not sure. And this one is zucchini. So I know I'm familiar with zucchini, so I'm gonna taste it. You can see the sauce here is really white. Usually I'm used to like a browner sauce for tempura. This one's white, so let's see how it is. The bread is light and crispy. The sauce is, it's there. I don't really know if it knows the sauce. It's a different kind of tempura that I'm used to. Let's see what this one is. Get into it. Oh, it looks like, okay, it looks like a crab tempura. That's something I've never seen before. It's got a very light batter, like you'd expect in tempura. The sauce is flavorful, it is there, I can taste it. And crab is a very nice addition to a tempura wrap. We got 3 different sushi rolls. This one was the, I forgot exactly what it's called, but it contained some of the local type of food. Avocado, coconut was inside, some avocado. Mango is also part of this one. And this one has been breaded and fried with the coconut. So the coconut's on the outside. Coconut adds a nice crunchy texture. The sauce inside is mayonnaise and sweet. It's a good sauce. It's really good. Didn't really notice any mango, but I did taste the avocado, so this one's a pretty good one. Let's try the Mikado. Oh, it has eel on top and avocado, and inside it's like cucumber. Eel sauce is a fan of what I'm used to when I see in California restaurants. You get avocado and eel together, have a nice flavor, so it's good. The inside crunch and cucumber is very nice as well. The third one is the standard California roll. It's got the roe on top, cucumber inside, as well as crab and avocado. So that's a very good California roll with your roe on top. Yes, the wasabi is nice and spicy if you like your wasabi. This one actually has a little spice to it without the wasabi as well. The ramen what we got was a spicy beef ramen. You can see there's a serrano chili, and it's got the beef sesame on top. I have a soft boiled egg in here with tomatoes and cilantro as well as some red onions sliced really thinly, and of course your ramen noodles. Spice, beef, plus noodles, and cilantro. Are a little spicy. The beef is good. The broth is a very good ramen broth. The noodles are very good. So this is your standard beef ramen with a little extra spice than what you might be used to. So it's a good dish. Alright, so one stop we're going to try on this trip is Mikado Sushi Bar and Japanese Cuisine.